Assalamualaikum. I name is Said Hassan. Today I will tell you that 2024 has started and you have to struggle more in this year and you have to come to an improvement in your life. I will tell you one tip today to get rid of all your bad habits. Number one habit and best habit which all millionaires, billionaires and trillionaires read books. They read books, articles, blogs, and don't read newspapers. They don't watch TV. They check the new books on self-help and start improving their mindset, focus, and clarity. If you are not going to start this today, then you are going to ruin your life. For example, if you are going to start this today, you will be a improved person in 2 days. Your mindset will be changed. Your positive thoughts will come in your mind and you will get new ideas for your business, for your life and for your skill, and focus of your mind will improve. If you don't read books, you are not going to be a successful man. And if you read books, then you will be a good person in next few years. I have read all the billionaires that every billionaire read books. They read almost 50 books in a year, which is one book per week. So you have to decide yourself and you have to focus on this. If you don't do this, you will be not going to be as good positive person. Thank you.